Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Kui Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. Today I decided to ride out to Caliseo to see Jeremiah's project at JLC Builders. Looks like they started to build the second house. I see the pillars there. Let's see if we can walk in here. A little hard to walk with all this scaffolding. Yeah, okay, so these are the pillars here. Yep. So I was a little confused on this house. It's actually two separate houses that they are building. And in the image, I'll show you the image here. It's a little confusing. It's a AI generated image. They are doing the pool, and the wall that you see there behind the pool is actually going to be a wall. So the owners are actually going to live in the back house, and they're going to rent out the front house with the pool. I guess it's probably like an Airbnb. We're not too far from the beach in Philippine. Oh, watch my head. Watch my head there. So that wall there. See if I can get a better view. Let me see if I can get through here. Oh, it's been raining a lot. It's all muddy. My flip-flops are getting muddy. What the hell? So this guy is screening the sand for the cement. What do we got over here? I'm gonna try to get inside here. I don't want to poke myself in the head with all these pipes. It's been raining nonstop. It's very loud. I don't know if you guys can hear me. That is the cement mixer. Let's see if I can get over here. A lot of scaffolding. Yeah, they're definitely working on that second house. All right, so this is the first house. That's the back wall, it looks like there. You can see they're doing the stucco on the side. This kid's cleaning. So I'm guessing this might be a kitchen with that counter right there. I'm not sure. Surprisingly, quite a bit of space in here. It looks like a really small cat. Is that a cat? Trying to stay warm by that light. Somebody's pet cat. I don't want to knock over the water. Alright, let me see if I can sneak upstairs. I have to go under this scaffolding here. Under. Okay. Get up here. Oh man, I'm out of breath. Good thing I'm going to the gym every day with Albert. Okay. So what's this, like a balcony? This is probably a bathroom. Looks like a bathroom. CR, they call it, comfort room. It's a little dark in here. I don't know how well this video is going to come out. Electric lines there. That's how they rough in the electric. So they got all the insulation up. Looks like they're about ready to start on the drop ceiling here. They're moving right along, I tell you. Yeah, that's the drop ceiling frames. They are working on, I'm not sure what they're doing up there. Oh, maybe they're working on that drop ceiling? Looks like it. All right, let me get out of their way. I'm a big oafy American. They don't even know who I am. All right, let me get out of here. Well, I think that's about it. Let me get out of their hair. Oh, I almost caught myself on that rebar right there. Not sure if that's a design or what on that stucco. All right, guys, I am going to get out of here. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on the house that Jeremiah is building. And I'll check back in a couple weeks, and we'll keep checking in and see how it turns out. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, peace.